I love you, my child.
You're doing okay.
Oh, my sweet baby.
A day in the life of a nurse.
5:30 already. Time to get up. I always wake up so early. It's exhausting. But my patients are waiting. That keeps me going. Let me freshen up and get ready for the day. Let me wash my face and brush my teeth. It's time for breakfast. Let me make some tea. Simple tea and bread. That's enough for now. I wish I had more time, but my bus will be here soon. First, I'll wear my uniform for the day. Everything should be neat and ready. Now I'll pack my bag with all the essentials: stethoscope, gloves, and notes. Okay, time to go. Here comes my bus. It is so quiet. Let me get in the bus now. The bus is not crowded. Everyone is so busy. That is my hospital. I hope I'm not late. I get off my bus and walk. I'm all set and ready to head to the hospital. A busy day awaits, but I'm ready for it. Good morning. How are you this morning, Jack? The hospital looks busy today.
Hi there. How are you feeling today? Please come with me.
Do you want to see the cool sticker I have for brave kids? All right, after your checkup, you can pick one.
I love you, my child, more than words can ever say. Stay strong, my little one.
You're doing okay.
Thank you.
I'll help you with your morning medicine and make sure you're comfortable.
Okay.
Oh, my sweet baby. I love you so much. Be strong, my little one.
I'm not very well. I feel a bit weak.
I like helping people. I'm ready.
Good morning, dear. We have a full ward today.
The surgery went well. Everything is stable. The surgery was a success. Your loved one is stable and recovering well.
Let me check the duty list first. Okay, room 10, room 12, and emergency ward.
Good morning. I did not sleep well last night.
Don't worry, I'm here with you.
Okay.
Let me check your temperature and blood pressure. Everything looks normal.
Okay.
I'll make sure everything is normal and stable. This helps us know how you're feeling right now. Just a quick check. It won't take long. All done. You're looking much better today. I will give you your medicine now. Finally, a break. I have to eat now? Just a sandwich. A quick meal will give me energy for the rest of my shift. I deserve a longer break. I wish, but there's still work to do.
Anna, can you come to room 12?
Let me finish here first. Hello again. How are you feeling now? Keep smiling, it helps you heal.
I feel relieved now.
That's great to hear. let me check your vitals once more. Good night, take care, and get some rest.
Okay, dear. Good night.
I finished my duty. Now it's time to go home and rest.
Good work today, Anna. You handled everything so well.
Yes, Mom, I can hear.
Mom, I'm coming home now. My duty is finally over.
Finally, time to go home. What a long day. I'm exhausted. The hospital is silent now. Only the soft beep of machines fills the air. The corridors are empty. It feels good knowing I helped my patients today. The streets are quiet now. Finally, some peace. I can feel my legs getting tired, but I made it through the day. Home at last. What a long day. I'll make some tea and have a light dinner. A hot cup of tea and rest. That's all I need. Just a little food, then I can finally rest. Tomorrow is another busy day, but I'll be ready. Time to rest and get ready for tomorrow.